What's up, my peoples? Country goes to town. All right, Corey, this is it. Look, 3 left. I'm gonna get you one, man. You wanted one. This is yours. Boom, baby. Boom. I hope that's a winner. Yes, there it is. Number 2. All right. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Here's the ones I get out of the trash can. Take them to the truck. All right, let's go. Let's go do some scratching. All right, there's my truck, sitting right there in the sunshine. All right, here we go. What a beautiful day. Good Friday to everyone. Happy Friday. All righty. Ooh. There we go. All right, Corey. Gotta hook you up, man. CNC scratchers. Y'all check them out. Check them out. Ooh. All right, gotta sit you down. Load it up. All right, here we go. Good luck, Corey. This is your ticket. Whatever you win, it's yours. Whatever you get, it's yours. Good luck to you, my brother. Ticket number 2. Come on, $100. I know your brother Casey hit one, a nice one. He just sent me pictures. A bell, ding, 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 no money, some coins, and a pig, and a diamond. Nothing. 24, 40, 12, 44, 19, the 4, 46, the 6, 63 was a good year, and there's my 70. All right, matching numbers to win 2 times to 200 times. Come on, 32, 39, 34, the 9, need the 4, 62, need my 63, 12. Ding, ding, ding. You gotta win 12. Awesome, my brother. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. 27. Nope. 31. Nope. 23. Need a 24. Put some 12 on it. 43. 64. 38. 68. The 8. 29, 41, 33, 47, 26, 13, you got the 12, 37, 36, need a 46, 16, 30, my 11, look at there. That's 70, and my 11's got that 12 there. Yeah, baby, messed up to 12. 18, 21, 14, that's y'all's 14. The 3, and 60. No. All right, just one match. Come on, be big, be big, be $5 million. No L. $30. You got your money back. You let me know what you want to do, man. Let me know what you want to do. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy what you do. And y'all have a wonderful day. I got to do another split. I mean, this one was a split. This was his. I got to do a split in a minute. So I'll be back with another one. Yeah, baby.